Walter Sorrells here. Quick tip for beginning knife makers. Start small. What do I mean by that? Well, when I got started, the first thing I wanted to make was a katana. I was really into that. I was a martial artist and all this stuff, and so I thought I'm going to make a katana. So I got a big old bar of 01 steel. I got a jeweler's saw, and jeweler's saw is a tiny little saw, and I cut the thing out by hand. Then I took a file and I filed it to shape by hand. It took weeks to do. And when I got done, it finally penetrated my thick skull that I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. So what did I do? Did I quit? Absolutely not. I started over. So I started real small. I made little bitty knives. I tried to make fast, cheap, quick knives. So I was, in that fail fast, fail cheap kind of mode. What happens is that you can accumulate a lot more skill, a lot more knowledge, metallurgy, techniques for using your grinder and so forth. All that stuff piles up a lot faster if you make little knives and screw them up quickly. So, don't make my mistake, I guess is what I'm getting at. It's great to have that idea of making Excalibur in your mind. You want to hold on to that, but just recognize you're not going to make that right out of the box. So learn all that stuff about tools and metallurgy and whatever. Your confidence is going to grow, your skills will expand, and then suddenly, one day, you'll be holding Excalibur in your hand. All right, thanks guys. Check me out at waltersorrellsblades.com and on my YouTube channel.
Yes, you did see that right. That was Walter Sorrells, the man who started most of us, or not most of us, but probably a lot of us off on our knife making careers. Walter Sorrells is an incredibly well-known YouTuber, knife maker, sword maker, does amazing Japanese stuff. Go along and find him, see his knives and his swords, like his Facebook and Instagram page. Thanks very much. Uru.